Yes, nakubwira ngo rero komeza ugubwe neza ukurikiye Umutaka TV. Iyi ni game cyangwa se kimwe mu bagabo bakina imikino njyarugamba cyangwa se imikino y'iteramakofe. Ni umugabo witwa Bruce Lee ndetse n'umugabo w'umunyabigwi witwa Madison kabisa. Rero komeza uyirebe iyi video witonze, turangiza ukore subscribe ku Mutaka TV, dukomeze tubane. Njyewe nitwa Jesse nk'ibisanzwe. Komeza urebe izindi video zacu hano ndetse unaduhe like, share, comment igitekerezo ubona twakora. Hanyuma rero nakubwiraga ngo komeza ugubwe neza, urebe na video zacu ahangaha, nurangiza ukore subscribe to my YouTube channel Umutaka TV.
How about that shin? Try to establish that jab.
Big punch lands over the top. How's he gonna follow this?
Oh, spinning back fist. He didn't telegraph that one at all. And they separate. Nice job landing the double jab there, DC.
I mean, you are definitely pressing that one. You love that one, don't you? You love that jab.
Oh, and he escapes up to his feet. Very nice.
It's very tricky when he throws that body kick. Straight punch lands.
Lee's punch to the body. That one is blocked. Single collar tie there. Just missing on the high kick there.
Look at how he turns his hip into that leg kick.
Well, it's one thing to have length, it's another thing to use it, and he does it as well as anyone. Nice kick there by Lee. Saw the tail of the tape. He has a reach advantage and made good use of it there with that punch. Looking to set up that head kick again. This one does not find the home.
Ooh, head kick lands. He's hurt.
Spinning back fist.
Look at him chopping the wood. Chop the wood with those leg kicks. Big, powerful punch lands. Now he gets back in range.
Lee going with the kick to the body, but unable to find the range. Right hand upstairs. Trying to find a home for that right hand. That straight punch is going to be a real problem if they can't make the adjustment.
A real problem. He needs to move his head defensively if he's going to avoid getting hit so many times in the face. Great punch.
Lee going for the leg kick. Nothing doing there. Round one winding down here.
Oh, man, head kick lands.
5 minutes in the books.